So today we are in the previous video we have learnt about memory, data types, programs, notepad, CMD, how to run our program using CMD, everything, and why we make programs in notepad. We talked about it as well. In the first program we talked about in deep. So in this program I'm going to I'm going to make you understand how memory make a space in heap, and when for a block for a whenever we create an object of any class, we create a block in heap memory. We talked about it, but now we are going to take two objects. The class is the class is the creation of object. The class is a blueprint of creation of object. So basically we are going to I would like to imagine, so you may understand these thing all. So notepad, first I should make you understand how it is happening all. So in the pen I take pen, later we go to the program so that understand it. Soon we will take very little time. So control C and control V. No, it is not happening. That's okay, fine. So we have two, and this is the quickly I write that we already talked about it. Stack, and secondly heap. Okay, and now if I create different, basically I can create two reference of two classes. Suppose I'm going to buy pen from market, okay, and for pen, the 2 rupees pen and 5 rupees pen, there are different companies name, and the rate is also different. There are two objects, but pen has the same properties, same states, same behaviors. So I can create a one blueprint for pen. I can create a one class for pen. So what I did simple, I take reference of these two reference. I'm going to take a pen 1, yeah, whatever, and the second one is pen 2, pen 2. There are two objects. When I create two objects, then what happens in the heap memory? If I do not create anything for it, nothing is happening. There is no memory occupied anywhere. It's only a skeleton, a blueprint. Okay. Now what is happening in the heap memory is created two blocks. First block and second block. When I write when I use new keyword to create object, new, suppose my class name is pen demo, then what happened? This block is created. If I assign this pen demo in something, in some reference, like pen 1 and pen 2 will get the address, the pointer, it point to this block, it's point, okay, we may so point to this block, then this pen will point to this class block, this blueprint, okay, this skeleton. In this skeleton we have two things. We have pen rate, okay, so that's pen rate, and secondly we have pen name. So pen name, same thing is there, pen rate and pen. Okay, the class we have only one. The class we have only one. Class that we have pen demo, that skeleton, that blueprint, we have only one. Okay, but when we create object, then one block of this class, one object of this class. What is class? Class is a creation of object. Class is a blueprint of creation of object. So when I create object of this class, whatever instance, variables, methods, state and behaviors inside it, they comes inside this block and created in heap memory. It happens. Okay, so now I think it is clear to you. So we are going to talk about notepad. I'm going to create a program. So firstly, class, and my class name is, again, you may write anything. So I write pen demo. Okay, anything, whatever, pen demo. And inside it I am going to take int pen rate and string pen name, and here only I take value. So we didn't about constructor. Now so I'm going to take a method again to accept the value. We will be sending value from our main class. Okay, so that accept void accept. So we are going to int a comma b string b. Then we are going to take value. So pen rate assign a and pen name assign. Now I make one more instance method void display. And display I am going to display them. So system dot out dot print ln. And so what is rate equal to rate, so pen rate. Okay, let's close it. And sorry for that, I pen rate concatenation. Okay, without, do not we use concatenation in it, plus sign to print variable, to separate variable with a string, and to separate variable with another variable. Okay, another variable. So that rate and system dot out dot print ln. We will be talking about why we write print ln, why we do not write only print method. Okay, so we will be talking about name. So name equal to concatenation name, pen name, pen name. Very good. So I will close it. Then we have completed a class work. So class closed, and I'm going to create another class. Name is pen main demo. pen main demo. Yeah. So it you should give a relevant name for every class, but I am writing anything here. So now I'm going to create a class, and the class we first we are going to create main method, public void void so void main public static public static. Why again? Why did I leave static here? Because you should understand about static. This method always be static, okay? And I talk about why always be make main method static when I will talk about static keyword, okay? So that is why I pointed out this static here, okay? So public static void main, understand it, not public void, public static void main, and we will talk about it. Then I will talk about, then I will make you understand from the main method something. That is why, okay? So a string and args, you may write there as well, array sign anywhere, that's no problem. And here I'm going to take value, so int simple rate, and rate I'm going to assign 2 rupees, but now it is not. And pen name is, so I make one more variable here only, so that's we should not be rate 1, okay, and rate 2 5 rupees then. And string pen name, so pen name I'm going to write here I name 1, and what we say name, I don't know what is the name of rupees pen, so we write kick kick pen, okay? And I do not know what is the name. And the another pen name is kick and sick, okay? So another pen name is name 2 equal to sick, kick and sick. So these two strings we have, and we always add strings in double quotes. After taking two strings to method, I'm going to, we may call there as well, okay? So it's your choice. So I'm going to call our class pen demo. So pen demo equal to new pen demo, and close it. So we are going to create two objects, so I may write demo1 and demo2. That would be the great thing. So I create two objects, okay? Class is a blueprint of creating object. Repeat with me. Class is a blueprint of creating object. So two. I create two objects. Now I'm going to call by one object demo, one block dot name, sorry, that, yeah, I'm going to call accept method we have created. And in the accept I'm going to read first and name first, and same thing we are going to, and this method I am going to copy again, so control C and control V, and now demo1 and we are calling read to, because we are passing parameter read to and name to. The third, we are going to demo to dot sorry what demo 2. Okay, here we have to demo 2, and now I'm going to set demo 1 here only. So now we are going to display name for demo 1. So display play demo 1, and I copy this method. Control C, Control V. So now I'm going to call 2 demo 2. Okay, so first I call demo 1, I created object demo 1. Okay, one block demo 1 block is created. Okay, demo 1 block is created, this block demo 1. Okay, this pen 1 is this block, and demo 2 pen 2 block is this. Okay, so 2 block is created, and after that I am going to assign value in block 1 demo accept method inside that. Okay, a method, where is that? Inside it. We have created a method inside it, so I'm going to remove, I may write there. Okay, wait for a moment, I may write this method inside this. Okay, so display and accept method, display and accept. Okay, and display both are inside this, because we have created two method, that's parameter inside this. Okay, we have given the parameter, so inside this parameter you may give, and so these methods are created. So these methods will call, and the same methods are there as well. Okay, we would have taken example of two instance variables, but now we have taken in the program two method as well for printing and accepting the value. So like this kind of things, the block is created there by you by creating object of a class. So now I call this methods demo 1 accept rate 1 rate 2, demo 2 accept rate 1 rate 2, and demo 1 display, and demo 2 display. And I close this class main method and close this class, and now we are going to run it, so there we can check if there is any mistakes. D cmd cd 10 java. Okay, 10 java folder, I'm going to save this program. So wait for a moment, we are inside the 10 java, I'm going to save it, and that, so program name is main method in pen, we may write it capital, it should not be small letter. It is the one mistake, it will run, there will not be any problem, but always be your class name will be in capital letter. So pen main demo dot java. So I have saved it, and now I'm going to run java c pen main demo dot java. I run this program. So we did one mistake, static, the meaning is not right, that static. Okay. Again I save it, and we are going to run again successfully, and now I'm going to run it. So remove Java, remove C. It is our class name Java, class name Java, compiling Java C, Java compiler, file name. Okay, and while running the program Java in class name. I'm going to rate. So rate is 2, name is kick, rate is 5, name is sick. Okay, so like this, I would like to make you understand the concept of creating object. What is class? What is object? Object is around you. These all things are object. Laptop is an object. Okay, if laptop comes of HP, Dell, Apple, whatever company can be in. Okay, and these are the different objects. If I put one laptop of HP, one put laptop of Apple, I put one laptop of some other company. What? There are three objects, but they have property. They have the same properties, same state, same behaviors. I can make one class for all the laptops. Laptop is a class, one noun. All laptops, I've created one class. But there are different properties, different state and behaviors. According to that, I can create object for them. Then means I will make this is one object, this is second object, this is third object, this is fourth object. Do you understand? So it happens. So thank you, and please subscribe this channel so you can get update as early as possible. And yeah, so thank you all, and I'm going